what is A1? And what is D?
Probably like 200. Negative 100.
Yep.
Very good. So all a recursive formula says is to get any number an, you take the guy before it, which is an minus 1. Everybody understand that? So if it's a6, an minus 1 will be a5. And you add the d to it. That's your recursive formula.
Wait, so what's
All right, so an equals the guy before it plus d, which is 5. And what is a1? Where a1 is negative 39. Who does not understand? So what is how do you find a1?
you
add
take away.
You add 0.3
It's
to a
negative
negative
4.5.
No, you subtract it because you're going backwards. A1 is before. You add it to go forward, you subtract it to go backwards.
Oh, true. So,
So-
negative 5.1.
So an equals the guy before it plus 0.3, where a1 equals negative 5.1. Or you could use the formula. So if we had A9 equals A1 plus D times 9 minus 1. So A9 is negative 144 equals A1 plus negative 20 times 8. So negative 144 equals A1 minus 160. When I add 160 to that side, A1 equals 16. So now we have AN equals AN minus 1 minus 20, where A1 is 16.